Don't worry, he's an instructor, don't worry.
You saw nothing.
This is our getting ready in the morning aspect of the day. That's good.
Morning, you know you won't remember how to snowboard.
Take the fucking lens cap off is always good, isn't it? My freshly waxed Mercury, and then my my old boots to see if they help my feet. Which I'll be honest, I don't think they will. But you never know. I should really ride this switch. But first run of the day, you don't really know. Cut yourself. There's some Tom out here. Right there. Doesn't hurt, that's going to be good, right? It's going to be some good news.
Call the mic out, sir.
Well, I need content.
I need content.
All of the content.
Oh, I'll tell you what, contact lenses are a game changer.
Huh?
Contact lenses are a game changer.
I'll tell you what I do want to do is jump off that little thing without killing anyone. I don't know if I can do it with the pole, let's find out. Woo! Don't worry, he's an instructor, don't worry.
You saw nothing? Yeah, I don't really know where you want to go. There's not many runs open. Do you want to check out lower spec?
We can do.
I've not been down it yet.
I hope it's this way.
I think it is this way.
Okay,
yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't actually know where it is, so I guess we'll just wing it.
Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, so my lens cap for my camera has just come off. So I'm not 100% sure if this footage is going to be usable, but I guess we'll find out. He goes into switch. Let's go! Most of them so awkward in switch. I don't like it when you can't see and you go through the turn. The ground sort of falls away beneath you. You're not expecting it. Yeah, potentially.
Into the fog, into the mist.
I think we turn right at the lift.
I think you're right.
More into the bridge. That was a good turn. So we go here, get our right foot engaged. Well, that one wasn't so good. Down to that side, up, the hips. Not what we're looking for. Yeah, we need a bit less lean and a bit more bend on the both sides. Caution, not recommended for skiing. Okay, cool. Thanks for that. I think so.
Yeah. Looks like it.
I can't see shit.
I know, yeah. I can't see much shit out of this thing. Now we all think bags were a nice idea.
We can go through that, I guess. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Well, we have to. There's no other way.
We have to hike back up. I hope you enjoyed.
Invisible moguls. That's how you get better.
This is true. Invisible moguls and then the odd bit of grass. I can't even see the moguls on the camera because it flaps, so they land a little bit. See me going down over ship. We're definitely better at moguls than we were at the end of the last season. Or the start of last season. Oh, we go left. Rock on it? Yep. See, that felt good. I wasn't that feeling all the time. I think just a little tall on my, probably on both sides, but more on my toe side.
I love the just casually chatting to the camera as you do a jump.
Yeah, just like I talk to myself, isn't it? It's good when you hear it back. It sounds alright.
Do you want to go down Ridge Connector? And
Yeah.
then go down the mogul track? I've not been down that way yet.
If it's open, yeah,
I
we
think
can.
it is, yeah.
You can do whatever you want if it's open.
We can have whatever you like.
Baby, you can have whatever you like. Yeah. Can't see the next bit because it's so rude. Let's get a little bit more. I think this knee has to come out. I think this knee's collapsing because of my hips are shit. I need to push it, almost sit down on that hill. That hill on that high back. Look up the hill, make sure nobody's coming. Yeah. Well, I was gonna fucking carve that way, but you cut me up. You bastard.
Let's go down.
We're going this way now. That's okay. Yeah, I guess so.
It's either that or you got a long hole up there.
Yeah. Here, hold on to that. Oh. Yay! Let's go, baby.
Okay, maybe this wasn't such a great idea.
Okay. No, I'm okay now, start this. Oh, baby, what's here?
Igor will pull you, master.
That's baby. like, not see me. There's the camera stuff far behind me. Feels like we're running an incredible race. This was shuttle. That's the walked snow pine.
And that's Paradise?
I think so.
Perfection?
Yeah.
Because that's where we did our short term, innit?
Oh, we had to carve it, but it wasn't part of the exam. It's fucking scary as shit. Let's go, baby. There's a fucking river here somewhere.